ठीक है, alright, then sound rolling, action.
Welcome to Hackathon 2025, Mumbai Build Station, the kickoff city of our Milestone edition.
5 years, thousands of builders, and one community that never stopped innovating.
In Mumbai, 70 builders came together for a full day of creating, learning, and innovation.
They coded, they designed, and they built projects powered by curiosity.
The energy in this room is amazing. In every corner, everyone is solving a real-world problem, building it and shipping it.
Because here, hacking isn't about breaking things, it's about building something that actually matters.
Every project told a story of collaboration, curiosity, and courage to innovate for good. At Mumbai Build Station, every interaction sparked something new, an idea, a connection, and a partnership in progress.
This is my first in-person hackathon and it's a wild mix of chaos, caffeine and creativity so far.
I've been with Hack This Fall since the first season. The energy here is very electric and the experience is phenomenal.
Right here in the heart of Mumbai, the hacker spirit came alive and the journey to build for good began.